As you'll hear in a few minutes, our neighbor coming up the road with his 1974 Barracuda small block 4-speed. It has nothing on it. He's going down here to get a muffler put on it. And he's rebuilding it from ground up. This man does amazing work with these Barracudas. Alice is excited. You love Matt? Where's Matt? Where's Matt? Where's Matt? He's letting it warm up now. It doesn't have any working lights. I don't think it has a front end on it. I don't know what all it doesn't have on it. But Daryl is going to follow him down the road so he doesn't get pulled over by cops. If you don't hurry up, it looks like I'm going to have to take my four-wheeler down there in my Honda and show him what a real piece of machinery is. Alice patiently waiting for her boyfriend. You love Matt? Alice? Alice, you love Matt? He's got one Barracuda that's a 70, I think. That's a big block. And he restored that thing from ground up, all original. And that thing is absolutely beautiful. All right, come on, Matt. There he comes. Here he comes. I know y'all can't hear him, but I can. Now, when he comes up here to our house, he always likes blowing the engine. He hits in front because he knows that irritates me. So here he comes. Here he comes. Holy hell. Oh my God. Demolition derby. Get all you got. Y'all be careful. Told you. He's gonna blow the soot out of it on the road.